Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sila and this is Dr. Sila Biolabs. Here we make science simple, exciting and unforgettable. So let's join and explore together.
Dr. Sila Biolabs presents The Science of Dental Implants, a journey into how modern dentistry...
Take a look at your smile. It may seem ordinary, but every tooth is a masterpiece of biological engineering. Your teeth are not simply pieces of bone. They are highly specialized living structures built for strength and precision.
But one hidden job is even more important. Your teeth keep your jawbone alive. Every time you chew, pressure travels through the roots into the jawbone. Those tiny forces send a message to your body. Keep this bone healthy. Keep it strong. Think of every tooth as a natural exercise machine for your jawbone. As long as the tooth remains healthy, the jawbone receives the stimulation it needs to survive.
This tooth underwent a failed root canal years ago, leaving it weak and painful. We carefully removed the old infection and reshaped the canal for a fresh start. A strong fiber post and custom core were placed to restore the tooth's stability. Now it looks natural, feels strong, and is ready to function like a healthy tooth again. Incredible transformation.
The moment a tooth is removed, your body starts healing the gum. But underneath, another process quietly begins. The empty socket closes, but the missing tooth root is gone forever. Without a root, chewing forces can no longer reach the jawbone. Your body has an amazing survival system. If something isn't being used, it conserves energy by removing it. This process is called bone resorption, and it starts surprisingly quickly after tooth loss. Month after month, the jawbone becomes thinner and shorter where the tooth once stood. But the bone isn't the only thing that changes. The neighboring teeth begin moving too. Even the tooth above the gap can slowly drift downward because it has lost its partner for chewing. A single missing tooth can eventually affect your bite, your smile, and the health of your entire mouth. Modern dentistry found a remarkable solution. What exactly is a dental implant, and why is titanium so special? A dental implant is much more than an artificial tooth. Instead of sitting on top of the gums, the implant is placed deep inside the jawbone. But why is the implant made from titanium? The answer is one of medicine's greatest discoveries. Titanium is incredibly strong, lightweight, and highly resistant to corrosion inside the human body. Most importantly, the human body accepts titanium instead of rejecting it. Scientists call this extraordinary process osseointegration, which means the bone and implant become directly connected. Think of it like the roots of a tree growing firmly into the soil, creating incredible stability. Once healing is complete, the implant becomes a strong foundation capable of handling everyday chewing forces. But the implant itself isn't the whole tooth. It is only the first piece of a three-part system that perfectly replaces a missing tooth. A dental implant may look like a single tooth, but it is actually a carefully engineered three-part system. The first part is the implant fixture. This titanium screw acts as the new artificial root. Those tiny threads are not just for strength. They increase the surface area where bone can attach. The second part is called the abutment. It connects the implant to the final tooth. Think of the abutment as the bridge between the hidden root and the visible tooth.
The third part is the crown, the portion you actually see when you smile. The modern crowns are custom designed to match the color, shape, and size of your natural teeth. When these three parts come together, they recreate the appearance and function of a natural tooth. But rebuilding the tooth is only part of the story. The real magic happens because the implant helps preserve the... Replacing a missing tooth is important, but the greatest benefit happens deep inside, right where the implant...
A natural tooth root transfers chewing pressure into the jawbone, keeping it active and healthy. A dental implant does something remarkable. It restores that same mechanical stimulation. Every bite sends tiny signals into the jaw, encouraging the bone to stay strong. Without a tooth root, the body slowly removes unused bone. But with an implant, that cycle can be greatly reduced. Healthy jawbone helps support your gums, your neighboring teeth, and the overall shape of your smile. The jawbone also supports the muscles and soft tissues of your face. By helping preserve bone, dental implants can help maintain natural facial contours over time. A dental implant doesn't simply replace a missing tooth. It helps restore the natural partnership between your teeth, Every successful dental implant begins long before the surgery. It starts with careful planning. Your dentist examines the teeth, gums, and the amount of available jawbone. Advanced three-dimensional imaging helps reveal important details hidden beneath the gums. Using these images, the safest and most precise implant position can be planned. On the day of treatment, the area is carefully numbed to help keep the patient comfortable.
Bricks. On the day of treatment, the area is carefully numbed to help keep the patient comfortable. A small opening allows the implant to be...
The gum tissue heals, and over the next several weeks, the bone gradually attaches to the implant surface.
Once healing is complete, the implant is ready to support the final replacement tooth. From planning to the final smile, every step builds comfort and confidence. A question patients ask every day is simple. How long does a dental implant last? The titanium implant itself is designed to be a long-term replacement for the natural tooth root. Its long-term success depends on healthy gums, good oral hygiene, and regular professional care.
Daily brushing and cleaning between the teeth help reduce plaque around the implant and neighboring gums. Regular dental visits allow small problems to be detected and managed before they become serious. For many people, dental implants restore comfortable chewing, clear speech, and the confidence to smile again. More importantly, implants help reconnect the natural relationship between the tooth, the jawbone, and the surrounding tissues. A dental implant is more than a replacement tooth. It is a careful engineered solution designed to restore function and support long-term oral health.
A missing tooth can change your smile. Dental implants restore its strength. Subscribe for more In simple terms, a dental implant replaces the missing root, a titanium carefully placed into the jawbone, where after healing, a connector and a custom-made crown are attached, restoring the appearance and function. Thank you for watching Dr. Sila Biolabs. Subscribe for evidence-based dental education.